Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. The rich analysis of Ferdinand Braudel and his fellow annals historians have made significant contributions. Sentence B. Braudel was the first annals historian to gain widespread support for the idea that history should synthesize data from various social sciences, especially economics, in order to provide a broader view of human societies over time. Sentence C. Braudel has been faulted for the imprecision of his approach. Sentence D. In a departure from traditional historical approaches, the annals historians assume, as do Marxists, that history cannot be limited to a simple recounting of conscious human actions, but must be understood in the context of forces and material conditions that underlie human behavior. Sentence E. However, Fabre and Bloch, founders of the annals school, had originated this approach. The answer is 2. That is, sentence C is inappropriate. A, D, B, E is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has the sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. A related argument centers on the demand side of the economy. Sentence B. One can imagine that these obstacles are imposing in industries such as steel production, automobiles, electronics and parts of the textile industry. Sentence C. There are arguments relating to the state participation in economic development. Sentence D. In many underdeveloped countries, the state plays an important and an increasingly varied role in economic development. Sentence E. The entrance requirements in terms of financial capital and capital equipment are very large in certain industries, and the size of these obstacles will serve as barriers to entry on the part of private investors. The answer is option 1. That is, sentence A is inappropriate. D, C, E, B is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. Many animal species disappeared as the food chain was snapped at its base. Sentence B. Paleontologists initially dismissed the theory, arguing that existing dinosaur records showed a decline lasting millions of years. Sentence C. Since 1980, the notion that mass extinctions at the end of the Cretaceous period 65 million years ago resulted from a sudden event has slowly gathered support, although even today there is no scientific consensus. Sentence D. Beyond the immediate effects of fire, flood and storm, dust darkened the atmosphere, cutting off plant life. Sentence E. The Alvarez scenario, an asteroid struck the Earth, creating a gigantic crater. The answer is option 4. That is, B is the inappropriate sentence. C-E-D-A is the sequence. C-E-D-A is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. This kind of incompetence will disappear only when the curricula of our architecture schools devote less time to so-called artistic consideration and more time to the basics of good design. Sentence B. Our architecture schools must be doing something wrong. Sentence C. In the pursuit of some dubious aesthetic, architects design buildings that sway, crumble and even shed windows into our cities' streets. Sentence D. There was a sharp increase in the number of schools that give valuable training and exposure to those interested in pursuing the discipline of art. Sentence E. Almost monthly, we hear of domes and walkways collapsing in public places, causing great harm to human life. The answer is 3. That is, sentence D is inappropriate. B, E, C, A is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Ravi. The question is, choose the option which has a sentence which does not fit in the arrangement of each of the sentences A, B, C, D and E given below in forming a cogent paragraph. Sentence A. Now was death always unexpected? Sentence B. Nonetheless, most people are more likely to fear being killed by a stranger in an unfamiliar situation than by a friend or relative at home. Sentence C. In one study, about half the murder victims in a particular city had called for police at least 5 times during the 24 months before they were murdered. Sentence D. Statistics show that more than half of the nation's murder victims knew their assailants. In fact, 24% last year were killed by relatives. Sentence E. Murders and organized crimes have been on the rise since the influx of immigrants. The answer is 1. That is, sentence E is inappropriate. D, A, C, B is the sequence. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.